Today, we're talking the top 4 crawl space wireproofing mistakes and how to avoid them. Stay tuned. Hey, thank you for joining us. My name is Mitch. I'm the owner of Encapsulations Down Under. We're a foundation repair company serving all central Indiana, and we're striving to be the local leader when it comes to everything crawl space. Today's topic is the top 4 crawl space wireproofing mistakes and how to avoid them. So, jumping right in here, we're going to be covering mistake number 1, which is not digging a proper trench. I've been in a number of crawl spaces where the homeowner has paid a contractor, a DIY, or even another foundation company to install a perimeter-based system, and I get down there and I look at their trench, and it's not even a trench, as you can see here. This was actually done by a local industry leader, one of the bigger companies we've actually had in our area. I was shocked when I came across this, and it made me realize that not all crawl space wireproofing systems are the same, and you as the homeowner better make sure what's being installed under your house before you decide who to go with. Here's a quick video of a system that we were in the middle of installing. This crawl space was completely flooded, and we have completely dug the trench. We do our best to get 8 inches wide and 6 inches deep, as you can see here, which is vital for a wireproofing system to work efficiently. Moving right along here, and the second biggest mistake we see in crawl space wireproofing is not installing a proper aggregate. The aggregate is the stone or the material that's surrounding the actual pipe. In this crawl space here, they simply dug a little bit of a cove, like you can see, which is breaking rule number 1, and they just used the crawl space pea gravel to just cover up the entire pipe. When we're installing a proper wireproofing system, we're hauling 90 bags of river rock in there. I'm not going to take someone's hard-earned money and then skimp out on the aggregate, which is a vital part of the drainage system to allow for it to work. The larger aggregate you have, the faster the water flows because the less compacted the aggregate or rock is. And that is why we use river rock versus pea gravel, and that's why we always bring in our own rock if we're going to install a proper wireproofing system. Here are some pictures of a past install we done recently. As you can see, we've laid pipe, we lay aggregate completely around the system that is separate from the pea gravel in the crawl space, and we burrito wrap the entire system as well to prevent clogs to the best of our ability. Our system comes with a lifetime warranty as well. Alrighty, and number 3 mistake that we commonly see is not connecting the system. This is a system we're looking at right here, and as you can see, they didn't connect the pipes to anything, whether it was a sump pump or a continuation of pipe with a coupling or anything. They just left this here to get clogged over time and eventually stop working. And this is something that a customer spent their hard-earned money again for, and I just could not believe it when I came across this. And the final common mistake we see is not installing a proper pipe-based drainage system. This is called a strip-based drainage system. It's about 1 inch wide piece of plastic, 6 inches deep, and they don't dig any sort of deep or wide trench with it. They don't install aggregate with it. They just expect this little cove to carry all the wire needed. That's breaking rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 4. And as you can see here, we've had to rip these systems out because they just don't seem to work effectively. If you have any problems in your crawl space or any worries, give us a call. Our phone number is 317-707-9444, serving all central Indiana. And remember, not every crawl space wireproofing system is the same. Until next time, have a great day.